Hi guys, how are you? This is the collective reading for you guys, okay? At I just channeled a messages from our universe and our guide spirits, okay? And our archangels and also our spirit animal, okay? And then these messages might be find you, okay? You could be the chosen one, and I hope these messages from our tarot card can be awakened you of who you truly are. Do you know who you truly are? Alam mo ba talaga kung sino ka? Sino ka nga ba talaga? Okay, let's check it out from the deck I've been using from my meditation. Okay, for today, this is the card that I pulled for today while I am doing my meditation. This messages is meant to find you guys. Okay, this messages is meant to deliver for you. Okay, if you are resonating for this video, okay? And then, these are the cards I've been pull while I am doing my meditation for today. Okay, if you can see, ayan. Sorry nga lang guys kasi medyo pabaligtad ata yung ating camera. Okay. But don't worry kasi babasahin ko sa inyo yung card, and then also I will gonna read to you the meaning of this card with this guidebook. Okay. Ayan siya. Ito yung kanyang guidebook. Okay. And then let's start. Number 15. Okay. This is the crystal angels of 444. This is the angel number. Okay. Write it down. Isulat nyo po sa isang malinis na papel para malaman niyo yung pattern. Okay? Because this reading might be for you. This is a rare. Rare. Pag sinabing rare, ito po ay napakabihira lang na mensahe galing sa ating mga archangels and the universe. Okay? Pag sinabi nating rare messages, ito po ay napaka-espesyal para lang doon sa mga tinatawag ni universe na kanyang mga chosen one. When we say chosen one, it's like that you will be awakening for who you truly are. Okay? And then, chosen one. You might be the starseed when you are watching this video. Okay? Okay, let's proceed. Number 15, Archangel Raphael and Malachit stones, okay, or gem, okay? You see, this is the stone. This is the Malachit, okay? Pwedeng Malachite, kung tayo man po ay Tagalog, okay? Malachite, something like that, okay? Bahala ka na kung anong gusto mo itawag dyan, okay? And then, I will gonna read to you what's written on the card that I pulled for you. Okay? Grace for the grand gesture. Crystal Angels number 444. Okay? And then, let me read to you the meaning of this card from this guidebook, okay, that I have here. Okay? Let me read to you guys the number 15. Okay. We bring you the gift of grace for the grand gesture. Although there are times when even the smallest act, such as choosing to think a positive thought, is enough to transform your world, there also comes a time for the leap of faith, the grand gesture of unconditional trust that will free you from the past and empower the universe to gift you with a new future. Okay? With the grand gesture is the big step. Yeah, sabi nila, this will be the big step for you. This video, if this video might find you, okay? The willingness to say to the universe, I trust you and I know it is time for life as I have known it to give way for a bigger, bolder experience. Okay? And I am willing to allow you to lead me into it. You then make an offering, which confirms your declaration and empowers the universe to reward the faith you have demonstrated. The grand gesture cannot be forced. Yeah. Huwag mong puwersahin po, okay? Kung mapanood mo man tong video na to, huwag niyo pong puwersahin muna kung ano man yung mga magre-resonate sa inyo. Hayaan niyo lang po na mag-go with the flow, okay? Ito po ay talagang magre-resonate sa inyo kung talagang magre-resonate sa inyo, okay? Okay. Nasaan na ba tayo? The grand gesture cannot be forced. If it comes from a place of should or uncertainty, then you are not ready. Kita mo yon? The grand gesture must be unconditional. It must be something you offer, not for what you can get in return. Okay? Although the rewards will be rich, but because you are willing to offer something of yourself in service to love, when it comes from this place, the grand gesture is a trigger for divine grace to express itself in your life in an entirely new way, surpassing all expectations and showering you with blessings. Kita mo yun? Kahit na hindi mo ipuwersa yung ating, yung meaning or kung ano man yung power na nasa sayo, okay, na sinasabi ng ating baraha, this will be yours no matter what. Okay, kasi ito yung magiging trigger, okay, to awaken you. Okay. And then let's proceed now from our tarot deck. Tingnan na natin guys kung ano pa po yung ating makikita sa inyo. Kung ano yung mga kailangan nating ayusin to awaken you if you are really the chosen one. Okay? Then let's go to our tarot deck. Okay? Let's see. Let's pull 3 cards and then let's see kung ano pa yung mga kinakailangan natin na i-clear at ayusin or i-shadow work sa ating sarili. Okay? Okay. Let me see. Oops. Okay. Ayan. Guys, kung maputol man po itong ating video, i-upload ko po yung kasunod. Okay, don't worry po. Kailangan lang natin din putulin kasi para hindi masyadong mabigat yung uploading sa Facebook. Okay? Okay, I have here the first card is the Judgment. Okay? Yeah. There will be the calling and the receiving of the messages from our universe. Eto na yon, yung video na yon. Eto na yung video na yon na sinasabi ko sa inyo guys. Okay? Yeah. For me, itong barahan na to, the Judgment, this is really a calling from our universe, from above. Okay? Na which is nagsasabi sa atin na malapit ka na. Okay? You are the chosen one. If you are really, really resonating from this video, guys, you are really the chosen one. Okay? Kasi kung pinapanood mo to ngayon, you are really, really meant to be to receive this judgment, this calling from our universe. Okay? And then let's proceed from the second card of our tarot, Ten of Wands. Okay, you might be dealing from such a very hardship, burden, heavy burden right now. But don't worry, kasi andito yung ating the Judgment card, na which is nagsasabi na naandito na si universe to give you all your reward. Okay? And we will have the third card, okay? The Five of Swords. Hi guys! This is the second part of our collective reading. Ayan. At sana'y masubaybayan nyo po guys. Okay, napaka-importante po ng mensahe na to guys. Okay? At yeah, let's proceed now. Okay? And then, I have here the Five of Swords. Okay? If you can see from our Five of Swords, you've been through a lot of struggle, a lot of fight, okay? A lot of challenges. Kita mo yan, marami ka ng pinagdaanan sa buhay. Okay? Kaya if you are watching this video for you, you are really the chosen one. Okay? If you think and you feel that you are really meant to be the chosen one, that you really, really have to be awakened for who you truly are. Okay? We are living in our humanity, being a human in this earth. But we all didn't know, okay, from our past life, that we have a truly who we are. Na which is yung soul natin, hindi pa nare-recognize kung sino ka nga ba talaga. Because you might be the starseed, okay? You might be the earth angel, okay? That's why you are experiencing this, okay? Because you are the human being, okay? But deep inside you, entire deep you still not yet know who you truly are. Okay? Kaya mo pinapanood tong video ko kasi meron kang feeling that you are the chosen one. Okay? When we say the chosen one, these are the very higher vibrational people, okay, na talagang destiny na maging kasangkapan, okay, maging galamay ni universe. Sila yung mga gifted, sila yung mga starseed, sila yung mga earth angel na itinalaga ni universe dito sa mundo upang mapag-aralan ang buhay bilang isang tao. Okay? This is only the structure for you of being a human to be awakened your real, truly who you are, your real, truly soul. Okay? Kasi pag nakilala mo at na-recognize mo kung sino ka talaga, it will be a blossom of blessings, okay, from our universe. Malalaman mo kung paano mo i-handle na yung buhay mo. Everything will be go with the flow, with the divine timing. Okay? And then, let's go on now. Okay, let's go on now with our astronomical guidance. Okay? I have here the astro. The astro codes, the star codes astro, sorry. Ayan o. Yan. And then I have the guidebook. Ayan. Ayan yung guide niya, guys. And then I will gonna be pulling a cards for you guys. Okay? Kung ano yung mga mensahe at kailangan ninyong malaman na kailangan ninyong i-work out sa sarili niyo for you to be awakened. Okay? Para matanggal yung mga blockage. Okay? Kung ikaw man ay the chosen one. Okay? Then let's see kung ano yung kailangan mong i-work out sa iyong sa iyong sarili. Okay? Okay. Okay. What I have here is the dignified, which is the strength. Strength. Yung lakas ng loob. Kita mo yan? Diba? Dignified, or if you can see the strength. Okay. Okay. I have here the number 13. Write it down. Okay. This may be the angels is trying to contacting you. Okay. is trying to talking to you, okay? Just write down the numbers, okay? And then let me read to you the meaning of the number 13 from the Star Codes Astro. Okay? Dignified. I have here, your voice matters. Okay? Yung ating tinig ay napakahalaga. Napakahalaga. Ayan. Trust that you are what's needed here at this moment. You are in your element at the right place at the right time. So you have an advantage, but it's up to you to make a choice and run with the ball. Okay? Dodge the obstacles and look for the opportunities just beginning to emerge. Kita mo yan? Have faith in yourself. You have what it takes even if you don't know it yet. Even if you don't know it yet, you have what it takes, guys. Yeah, I'm happy for you. You really are the chosen one. And then I have here, it is up to you to tap into your potential and find the resources within. Okay? Play to your strengths. Use your contacts. Sabi ko sa inyo guys kanina, diba? Yung number 13. Ayan o, number 13. Diba? Number 13 yan guys. 1, 3. Okay? Play to your strengths. Use your contacts. Sing the song that best fits your voice. Do so with humble respect for the process. This situation is strong enough for you to fulfill your potential without stepping on another person to get ahead. The wind is with you but will not do the work for you. Take the lead, do your work, and bring your team along with you. Kita mo yan? Take the leap and do your work and bring your team with you. Kita mo yan, di ba? Okay. It may be tempting to take over. Yes, it's time for you to shine. But bring everyone along with you rather than dominate them. Di ba? Huwag mo silang pangunahan. Let them join you. Okay? Or you may be left high and dry once this game is over. Kita mo yun? Or you may be left high and dry once this game is over. Diba? Kumbaga, huwag ka makipag-compete sa kanila. Enjoy the flow. Enjoy the moment. Enjoy the divine grace that universe is giving you. Okay? 4 weeks, months, or lifetimes, you have prepared for this moment. Oh my God. The muscles you built in body and soul, and the understanding you have accrued are needed here at this time and place. You see, you are really the chosen one. Diba? Sabi ko sa inyo guys, oh my God, kinikilabutan ako sobra. Okay. Okay, let's proceed now to our shadow work. Okay. This shadow work will be telling you kung ano yung kailangan mong i-work out at i-release from you. Kasi that will be the blockage. Kaya hindi mo ma-recognize kung sino ka talaga. Okay? You might be the chosen one. Pero hindi mo magawang ma-recognize kasi may blockage. Okay? Let's proceed from our third video, guys. Okay? And then, let's see kung ano yung mga kailangan pang malaman para ma-work out natin yung ating sarili. for our awakening. Okay? Hi guys, this is the third part of our collective reading and I hope you're still watching. Okay? This will be the information about your blockage, kung ano yung ating kailangan i-work out at i-release sa ating sarili. If you really want to be awakened, if you think so that you are really the chosen one. Okay? Then let's see. Let's pull a card from our tarot deck. Okay, from the oracle cards. Let's see kung ano yung inyong kailangan na i-work out. Okay? Okay. Okay. I have here the inner balance. Okay. When we say the inner balance, this is your chakras. Okay. What you resist persists. What you accept transforms. Okay. Wholeness and duality. Okay. When we say inner balance, tignan nyo yung kulay niya. There are, I think, 7 colors there. Okay? This card is representing you need to balance your inner chakra. Okay? Kasi kailangan po na atin itong ma-meditate kasi this will be the opening let's say the opening door of our soul for the messages that we really need to receive from our universe. Okay? Kasi para ma-capture natin yung mga right messages na para sa atin kasi maraming messages. Okay? But sabi ko nga, kung ikaw talaga yung really the chosen one, kung ikaw talaga yon, unang panood mo pa lang ng video na to, it will gonna take you resonate from head to bone. Okay? From magmula ulo, kikilabutan ka, hanggang tagos, hanggang buto. Mararamdaman nyo po yun, guys. Okay? Kasi yung espiritu, yung mga espiritu ng ating mga spirit guides and archangels will gonna tap on your energy. Okay? We're gonna, hey, you are the chosen one. Can you watch this video, this messages we provided for you? Diba? Yan. And then, let's pull another card. Okay? The second shadow work you needed to release. Defensive. Okay. Unseen resistance to unresolved issues. Explore with curiosity, reflection, acceptance, and grow. Okay, you need to reflect. Okay, you need to mirror yourself. Tanggalin mo yung pagiging defensive. Okay, kasi eto yung nagba-block din sa'yo sa hindi mo pagtanggap sa katotohanan. Okay? Sa hindi mo pag-intindi sa sarili mo. Okay, kasi kailangan mong tanggapin kung sino ka. Diba? You need to release. You need to accept who you truly are. Huh? And then, with that acceptance, okay, you needed to learn how to grow. Okay? When we say grow, you need to study. You need to have much more information about you, about your spirituality. Okay? Kasi ito yung magiging way, yung magiging door. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, ito yung magiging portal ng our universe, archangels, and our spirit guides for us to be awakened. Okay? For us, for being a chosen one. Okay? Kasi kailangan natin itong i-work out for us to be more open, to be more receptive. 'Di ba? And then, guys, gamitin ninyo yung inyong talas ng intuition. Okay? Trust your intuition. Okay? And then I have here, the battle within. Kalaban mo yung sarili mo kasi andito yung defensive. May hindi ka inaamin sa sarili mo. Diba? May hindi ka, okay. Binibigyan mo yung sarili mo ng komplikadong sitwasyon. Kasi hindi mo maamin sa sarili mo yung mga pagkakamali mo at hindi mo rin matanggap yung mga ginawa sa'yo ng mga tao before. Yung mga nakasakit sa'yo, yung mga nagpabagsak sa'yo. Okay? You have to accept it. Okay? You have to be more open for you to receive the growing, okay, the grow up, the growth, okay, the energy of universe, archangels, and the spirit guide. Okay, wag mong kalabanin yung sarili mo. Let it flow, let it go. Okay? You must ask yourself, ano nga ba yung mali ko? Ano nga ba yung hindi ko pa nare-release? Ano yung nagpapabigat sa akin? Diba? Kasi for you to address kung ano yung kailangan mo ayusin sa sarili mo. Okay? Don't be like na ayoko naiya ako. Ayokong aminin sa sarili ko. Don't be like that, guys. Okay? Kasi yung spirit guide natin, alam nila kung anong pinaggagawa mo since before. Ipinanganak pa lang tayo, alam nila. Okay? So, wag mong lokohin yung sarili mo. Tanggapin mo lahat ng flow mo. Tanggapin mo lahat ng flows mo. Flow tuloy. Tanggapin mo lahat ng flaws mo. Okay? Tanggapin mo lahat ng pagkakamali mo. At matuto doon sa mga pagkakadapa na yun. At siguraduhin mo na yung best version of you will gonna rise up. Okay? Ipakita mo sa sarili mo, hindi sa ibang tao, na kaya mong i-let go kahit gaano pa kasakit yung pangyayari na ito. Okay? Ayan. So, that will be the shadow work that you needed to release and acknowledge. Okay? Tanggapin niyo po ito at ito ang inyong ayusin sa inyong sarili. Okay? Mamaya po tuturuan ko kayo kung paano po mag-shadow work. Okay? Huwag po kayo mag-alala, hindi naman po ito nakakatakot. Kailangan lang po natin din ng kandila for our releasing of the emotions and the grudges that we are keep on hiding inside our hearts. Okay? And then let's proceed to our angels' messages. Okay? We're gonna pull again. Oh wait, ibalik ko dito yung ayan. Lagyan natin yan dito. Yan. Okay, magpo-pull out ako ulit ng mensahe galing sa ating mga angel spirit. Okay? Then, tingnan po natin kung ano yung mga mensahe sa'yo ng ating mga guardian angels and the archangels. Okay. Ayan, kung sakali pong maputol guys, okay, proceed tayo sa fourth video, okay? Magkita-kita po tayo sa fourth video. Tapusin nyo po bawat chapter ng video kasi napakahalaga po nito, okay? Yeah, I have here from the angel messages is the partnership. Okay? This is the messages that they give to you, and I will gonna read it from my guidebook of this oracle cards. Okay. Okay. Let's proceed to our. Hi guys, this is the fourth reading of our collective messages for the chosen one of our archangels, spirit guides, and our universe. Okay? And then let's move on now. Okay? Nandito na tayo sa ating angels messages for you. This is the partnership. Okay, ayan. Partnership. Pabaliktad nga lang guys. Okay, bahala na kayo. Basta yan yung cards na nakuha ko. Okay? And then, let me read to you the messages of the card. Okay? Partnership. Allow helpful, supportive partnerships into your personal life and career, and both parties benefit as a result. You are receiving help from heaven and from a person who brings needed skills and resources. Okay, from this card, okay, this is telling me na you needed to accept the partnership even with our universe and our archangels na gumagabay sa inyo. At kung hindi naman merong isang tao na gustong makipag-partnership sa'yo, na gustong makita kung papaano ka mag-awaken or mag-grow, na siya din na isa or sabihin na nating meron din siyang experience sa pagiging awakening, sa pagiging the chosen one. Okay? You might be dealing with a earth angel, ganyan. Or you may be the earth angel because you are the chosen one also. Okay? And then let's see what could be the guidebook gonna tell about this partnership card from our angels messages. This card speaks to the influence of other people in your life, such as romantic or marital partner or work associate. Okay? Trust the first thought or feeling that you have about the word partnership, as your higher self already knows the truth about this influencing energy. Okay? If you feel that certain people are adversely affecting you, this card signals the need to take a relationship inventory, to bring positive energy to the relationship, or to decrease your involvement with them. Ayan, meron pa siyang sinasabi dito na if you feel that certain people are adversely affecting you, kung parang may toxicity na nangyayari, you needed to address that to that person kasi para i-decrease mo or maglilo ka muna or umiwas ka na sa taong to. Kasi ito yung hahatak sa'yo pababa din. Okay? Studies are showing that a person's income is proportionate to that of the people he or she spends time with. Kumbaga, hindi lang about sa pera ang investment. Kapag po tayo ay nasa isang relasyon at po tayo ay nagmamahal, nag-i-invest din po tayo. Okay? Nag-i-invest din po tayo ng feelings, ng emotion. Okay? Na which is yun yung nagiging way para masaktan tayo sa huli. When I say masaktan tayo sa huli, yun yung nagiging way. Kapag ka dumarating yung time na niloko ka, iniwan ka sa ere, tinrider ka, it's either boyfriend mo, girlfriend mo, or kaibigan mo, or family mo. Okay. Hindi ito mahalaga kung pamilya mo man yan. As long as alam mo na toxic na, lumayo ka na. Okay? Learn to live by your own. Kasi with that way, you will gonna gain and you will gonna be more awakened. Okay? Okay, if you hang out with those who complain, this will bring you down. Sabi ko nga kanina, this will bring you down. hahatakin ka nila, kasabay ka, pababa. Okay, gusto nila ng kadamay, ng karamay, something like that. If you spend time with those who are working to improve their lives in this world, you'll feel inspired. Okay? Yung naiintindihan ko dito is, you have to choose wisely when it comes to partnership, friends, family. Okay? You have to choose wisely. Okay? This card also signals a business partnership. And again, trust your first thought or feeling for inner guidance. Many successful businesses are formed from partnerships. So you may be guided to network with others or to join a networking group to meet potential partners. God is guiding you to the right people to support the fruition of your divine life purpose. Okay. When I say divine life purpose, okay, this is also telling me na may nakita akong words dito kasi na to network. Okay, networking. This is also a word that delivering me like channeled. Kumbaga, nandito rin yung sinabi niya, trust your first thought or feeling for inner guidance. Okay? Huwag mong pagdudahan yung una mong intuition na lumabas sa isip mo at pakiramdam mo. Kasi yan po ay 99.9% po na totoo. Okay? Kung hindi man 99.9%, this is 110% pa nga. Okay? So, this is the meaning of the card that I pulled for you from the angel's messages. Ayan, medyo na-overwhelmed na ako. Ang lakas kasi ng energy, guys. Okay? And then, this is the angel messages that I pulled for you. Okay? And then, let's pull the animal spirit that you needed to know for your guidance also. Okay? Okay. Ayan. Tingnan na natin kung ano yung guide ng ating animal spirit. Turkey. Oh my God, good news. Ito na yun. Ito yun yung good news na yun na pinapanood mo tong video na to kasi naniniwala ka na the chosen one ka. Okay? Let me read to you the meaning of the card. You may soon receive an important but very unexpected gift. Okay, ito yun. Ito yung gift na yun. Ngayon, meron ka ng hint na, meron ka ng pakaramdam na you might be the chosen one, guys. Oh my God. Accept this with deep respect. Someone has sacrificed a lot to help you open doors and grow. You know who's that? Okay? Alam niyo ba kung sino nag-sacrifice para sa ating lahat? Diba si Jesus? A lot of things will change for the better. I'm happy if you are really feeling that you are one of the chosen one. Okay? Because honestly, we are only few, guys. Okay? When we say the chosen one, guys, this is the highly vibrational people or humankind being na ipinadala ni universe kung saan mananahan yung mga spirit natin dahil tayo ay nasa mundo. Tayo yung mga itinalaga ni universe na maging gabay. Diba? So, be more respect to yourself. Okay? At be more, aim high. Kumbaga, this is a very, very important gift from all of the things, the material things na na-receive mo. Ito kasi hindi to mawawala sa'yo. Hi guys, this is the continuation of our collective reading for our The Chosen One. Okay, if you are accidentally watching or accidentally watch my video, you might be the chosen one. Kung gusto niyo pong mapanood yung panimula, okay, just visit my Facebook account. Nandun po lahat yung video kasi chapter by chapter po ito. Okay, episode by episode yung nangyari kasi kinat ko po ng kinat para hindi ako ma-limit ni Facebook. Okay, and then let's proceed to our collective reading. Okay guys, I have here the tarot deck of the Dreams of Gaia. Okay? I love this deck so much because ito yung nagiging guidance ko rin lagi. Kasi meron siyang guidebook na pagkalaki-laki, kita nyo. Diba? And then, yan makapal siya. Marami siyang mensahe. Kumbaga, napakalalim ng mga mensahe niya. Marami kang matututunan. Okay? At marami kang marirealize sa sarili mo. Okay? I will pull one card for you for the things that you need, you still need to work out then. Okay? Then let's see kung ano yung mga kailangan mong i-work out para sa sarili mo. Okay? With the tarot deck of our Dreams of Gaia, the goddesses Gaia. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah. Anyway, this deck is very big. Kita nyo yan. Kita nyo yung kamay ko, di ba? Ang laki niya, di ba? Yan. So, let's see what could be the messages for you guys. Okay, I have here Fate. Okay, I have here the Fate card. Okay, guys, this Fate card is telling me you needed to have a faith. Maniwala ka. Okay, maniwala ka. Okay, let's read what could be the other messages from our guidebook. Okay, this is the number 14. Write down on your book, on your paper there, the number 14. Okay, i-write down nyo po yung mga numbers na nasabi ko ha. Naandun po sa ibang video ko. Kailangan nyo pong mapanood po, okay? Number 14, the Faith. Okay, let's see. Oh, sorry. Oh yeah, I'm sorry. My bad. This is not the number 14. This is the number 24, guys. Okay, yeah, I'm sorry. I don't know. Yeah. You can write down also the number 14. Okay? Number 14, guys. Write down also the number 14. And then write down also the number 24. 24. This is the number of this card that I pulled for you. Okay? Let's see what could be the number 24. The faith. Have faith, guys. Have faith. Maniwala ka kay universe. Okay? Huwag sa mga chismis, guys. Kay universe ka maniwala. Okay? Okay, I have here the number 14. This is about faith, self-belief, confidence, divine connection, okay, trust, serenity, surrender. Guys, I am channeling a messages here from our universe that He's saying to me, surrender to me, so that you can have my divine connection. Surrender to me, trust in me. Kung ano man yung pinagdadaanan mo ngayon, surrender to me. That was the messages that I am channeling from him right now. For you to know. Okay? Sumasakit yung ulo ko, honestly guys. Kasi yes, channel ko talaga. Malakas yung energy. And I am seeing a very, very gold orb light. Kumbaga, para siyang bilog na may parang gold sa loob na para siyang titignan mo yung kinang niya, as in para siyang nag-i-sprinkle ng gold-plated na 24K karat. Ganon. Ang kinang-kinang niya, grabe. Okay. Sumasakit yung ulo ko talaga. Grabe. Ang lakas ng energy, guys. Okay. Okay, let me proceed to you. The meaning of this card is to have faith. The 8 of the influence card. Number 8, guys. Write it down on your paper. The 8 of the influence card is a beautiful thing. It inspires a feeling of serenity that is unshakable. With faith comes a level of self-confidence that sees you capable of overcoming all the life throws at you. To have self-belief gives you confidence when facing new challenging situation. When out in social setting, you are comfortable to be yourself. Having self-belief allows you to enjoy life more because you are less troubled by insecurity. With faith in yourself and your abilities, you stand a greater chance of having a successful career. You are more confident in taking well-considered risks. You are healthier and happier because you are more confident in because you are under less pressure. And the emotional and mental stress. In turn, your relationship with others will be better also. On the other hand, a lack of self-belief or faith can be seen in our moods. Yung mood natin pag nag-mood swing ka, guys, okay? Huwag natin masyadong entertainin, dumidikit siya. Yeah, may sinasabi talaga. Strength. Ito, strength. Yung kanina, yung pinul ko na card, okay? Strength to have a faith. You must have a strength to have a faith to universe. Yan, okay? Talaga nagpaparamdam sa akin, guys, okay? Then I have here, the way we speak about ourselves, our body language and actions. Yun yung moods, okay? Without faith and belief in self, every decision can become an almost excruciating process. If you do not believe that you will succeed or do well, then suddenly there is an increased chance that you will not. Doubt and a lack of faith breeds mistakes. Kapag wala kang paniniwala o pananalig, mas lalong lalapit ang mga pagkakamali at tukso. Okay? Mistakes, procrastination, and self-sabotage. Okay? But know this, you are not unimportant. You are not an important person. Yan ang sinasabi ni Universe. You are somebody. You are unique. Okay? You are unique. Let me say this to you once again. You are unique. Okay? You have gifts. You have gifts. Okay? Gifts. You have gift. Okay? Gift. Gifts ako ng gift. You have gifts. Okay? You have strengths. You have strength. Strengths. You have strength. Okay? You have talents. You are bright with potential, and if you believe in yourself, you will shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Oh, nasa-channel ko siya. Wow. Nasa-channel ko siya. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Okay. Yeah, let me proceed you to the 5th video of our collective reading. Okay, so See you there. Hi guys, this is the continuation of our collective readings. Okay, this is the 5th video I have for you for the collective reading, guys. Wow, ang haba, no? Ang haba-haba. Okay, let's proceed na. Okay. Andito na tayo sa ating faith. Okay, andito pa rin tayo sa ating faith. Ayan, have faith. Okay. Have faith, guys. Have faith. Okay. Okay, I have here. Oh wait, nandito na tayo. Okay, I have here the faith card. The faith card in the future position symbolizes setting yourself simple goals. Okay, and acting on them in order to increase your confidence and the self-belief. Okay, do something you have been promising to do for yourself. Ano ba yung pinramis mo sa sarili mo? Gawin mo yun. Okay? Kung pinramis mo magpapa-spa ka, magpapasalon ka, then go! Di ba? Okay? Okay. Do for yourself something small, something big or small, something like that. When it's done, smile and be proud of yourself. Okay, be proud of yourself. Wow, sa wakas nakapagpariband na ako. Wow, sa wakas nakapagpaano na ako. Oh my God! Diba? Alam mo yun? Na, bibigyan mo ng reward yung sarili mo. Diba? We deserve all to reward ourselves, to pamper ourselves. Diba? Diba? Yan. Lalo na pag pagod na pagod ka lagi sa trabaho. Yan. Make a promises to do same thing next week. Okay? May napipil ako dito. And when you complete your task, be sure to acknowledge it and rejoice in the happiness that it brings you. Okay? Over time, as your confidence increases, make the goals more complex. Kumbaga, mas magle-level up na yung mga promises mo sa sarili mo. Gusto ko maging manager. Gusto ko maging line leader. Ganyan. Gusto ko maging supervisor. Gusto ko maging CEO. Alam mo, walang masama mangarap, guys. Okay? Kahit sabihin na ibang tao na kapal na mukha natin mangarap, wala pong masama mangarap, okay? Alam niyo minsan, meron nakapagsabi sa akin sa mga video ko na parang hindi naman daw ako oracle kasi kung maka-react ako, yung mga ganitong reaction ko is parang hindi siya ethical. Well, eto ang masasabi ko sa inyo, guys. Because I am already awakened. Okay? I know who I am. And then, I understand myself. I love myself. I love to express myself even in the camera, even in my follower here in Facebook. Okay? Even in my YouTube channel. I love myself. I love who I am. Okay? If it's not really fit here in my tarot reading every day, well, I don't care because this is me. This is what universe gave to me. Okay? Kumbaga, tanggap ko rin kung ano ako. Okay? Because I understand my soul. I know my soul. And I recognize what is my soul really, really want and really what is my soul purpose here in universe, in our earth, okay, in our world, okay. That's why I am very proud kahit na ganito po ako umakting na para akong kikay minsan, okay, para akong prangka minsan because that is who I am. Okay, that is the universe takes me there to that level na kung saan na-awaken ako. bilang ako. Okay, nagdaan din po ako sa maraming challenges sa buhay ko, guys. Pero I never stop believing in universe and also in God. I never stop on praying. I never stop loving. Okay? I never stop my heart to deliver love. Okay? I never stop myself to help you guys here in my Facebook to receive a messages from our guide spirit, from our archangels, from our universe. Okay, because this is what is my purpose here. Okay, it doesn't matter kung ano yung mga religion na pinapaniwalaan ko or ano. Honestly, wala akong pinapaniwalaan na religion, guys, because I only believe in universe. Okay, as a awakened soul, as a chosen one, I only believe in universe because I know this thing will gonna work out. And this thing is working out for me. Okay, and this is my job. This is my assignment. This is my task that the universe given to me. Okay? Yun, yung way na be proud of who you are. Okay? Lalo na kapag alam mo na nakakatulong ka sa maraming tao. Huwag mong isipin kung ano sinasabi nila sa'yo. Walang manonood sa video mo. Bakit ka nanonood sa video ko? 'Di ba? Ganun lang yung guys. Okay? So, bakit ka nandito sa video ko tapos magko-comment ka wala manonood sa video ko? So, bakit ka nanonood? Di ba? Oh. So, pinagdadasal ko na lang yung mga ganitong tao, lalo na yung mga basher dyan. Okay? Kasi I do believe in universe. I do believe in universe because I am His servant. Okay? I am also the chosen one. Okay? And I feel it in my heart even though I am not what we call this. I am not totally awakened, but I am on the process. I feel that I am near of it. Okay? Like you guys, I am on the process and I love myself. I love who I am. Okay? Okay, let's proceed. In over time, as your confidence increases, make the goals more complex but remember to make them personal. Okay? Honor your desire. Yan yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. Honor your desire. Honor yourself. Okay? Set personal goals that improve you in some way. Okay? So that your self-belief grows. Not only through achieving your goal, but because of the goal itself. Diba? Hindi lang din sa mga plano mo sa buhay mo. Okay? Kumbaga, yung goal din na rin na yun, meron ka ring naituro sa sarili mo doon sa pagsiset up mo ng goals. Kung ano yung gusto mong maging. Okay? Tapos, itong goal na rin na to is naka-inspire din ng maraming tao. Diba? Na-inspire din sila sa'yo by means of seeing you na nagpo-push through ka doon sa ginagawa mo. Okay? So, yeah. I still have the 2 deck card for you guys. I have the spirit messages and the universe messages. Huling-huli yung ating universe messages, guys. And, yeah. Let me go to the 6th part of our video and see you there, guys. Hi, guys. This is the continuation of our collective reading for our The Chosen One. Okay? I have here the messages from our spirit guide. Okay? And then, I just pulled through already kasi inulit ko yung video, guys, kanina kasi medyo may nag-i-interfere, okay? Probably yun yung mga negative energy, okay? So, let's proceed now, okay? Slow down and take your time. There is no rush. There is no need to rush everything, okay? You are already doing your part. Trust that what belongs in your life is already making its way towards you in divine timing. Divine timing, guys. Okay? When we say divine timing, ito po yung talagang itinadhana, right time. Okay? Na kung tawagin, ito na yung ano mo, yung pagkakataon mo. Ito na yung destiny mo. Ito na lahat kung saan nakaplano na mangyayari na lahat para sa'yo. Okay? And then, I have here the last card, the last deck that I will gonna give to you messages, okay, is our messages from universe. You see? Okay. Let's see, guys, kung ano yung mga messages from our universe. Okay. Let's check it out. Please give me messages for the chosen one. Oh my God, particularly ako, now overwhelmed. Okay. I have here the messages of the universe, and this is the messages for you guys. Ayan, medyo pabaligtad nga lang po yung ating camera ha, pero babasahin ko po para sa inyo. Na-overwhelm ako, grabe talaga. Your time is coming. Everything is coming together for you, but you must meet the universe halfway. Sabi ko sa inyo, guys. Diba? Kailangan daw ma-meet mo si universe in halfway. Diba? So, that means, kailangan mong ma-awaken muna. Kailangan mong sundin yung mga rules niya. Okay? Hold only a bright and happy vision of yourself. Yun yung, yun yung hinihingi niya sa yung pabor. Diba? Yun yung hinihingi niya sa yung hindi lang din pabor, rules, okay? With successful outcomes, and don't allow your fears or insecurities to stand in your way. Kita mo yan? Guys, ang sinasabi dito ni universe, huwag kang magpapa-apekto din sa mga tao sa paligid mo na walang magawa lang din talaga sa buhay po. Okay? Kasi sila po ay probably naliligaw ng landas. Okay? Kaya din po na andito tayong mga chosen one para po igabay natin sila at bigyan ng enlightenment. Okay? Because we are sending love and light. Okay? Huwag po natin silang patulan kasi po sila yung mga hindi pa masyadong nakakaintindi at hindi masyadong alam mo yun, hindi masyadong nakakaunawa sa takbo ng buhay. Okay? At meron iba-iba po kasi ang takbo ng isip ng tao, honestly. To be more clear, merong makitid ang utak, merong mahirap kausap, okay, merong selfish, merong nagdudunong-dunungan, kumbaga nagmamagaling, ganyan, merong bida-bida, ganyan po kasi yun eh. Okay, yan yung realidad. Kaya kailangan, sabihin ko rin sa inyo, yung pinaka-pinpoint ng mga klase ng human being, di ba? So, kailangan din natin maging realistic sa ating mga reading. Okay? Para din maintindihan po ng mga hindi makaintindi po. Okay? So, Yun lang po guys. And kung naka-resonate ka po talaga na sobra dito sa aking reading guys. Hoy, meron pa pala akong ano sa inyo na pahoy tuloy ako. Kasi I'm very comfortable of who I am. Okay? Kumbaga, this is me. I am expressing to you myself. Okay? You're like my sister, you're like my brother, you're like yeah, you're everything. Diba? You're everything. Anyway, because I do love you guys and I love being your messenger here every day. So, let's see. Yung kanina, meron akong nakalimutan guys. Kasi, yung ating animal spirit, isa pang pangitain dito is kung nakakita ka na ng, what's this? Pabo. Okay? Pabo. Yan yung isa pang mga signal from our archangels, from our universe. Ito yung mga na-channel ko na messages. Okay? Just be more observant. Be more receptive. Okay? Kasi kung gusto mo talaga or you are really the chosen one, you will gonna feel that in your heart. Okay? Kumbaga, malalaman mo sa sarili mo, ito yun. Ako to. Ako tong sinasabi ng mensahe. Ako tong nasa collective reading. So, I must work out for this. Kailangan mong ayusin yung sarili mo. Okay? Anyway, guys, if you want a personal reading, guys, you can just direct message me here in my Facebook account. And then, what else? Inquire in my admin team for the price of the personal reading. And yes, may bayad po ang pagpapa-personal reading, guys. Okay? At yun lang po. Mag-ingat po tayong lahat. At God bless po sa lahat ng chosen one. Okay? I know we are only few in this earth, but I hope makarating po sa inyo itong mensahe na ito. Okay? Na andito rin po ako. Okay? At meron na rin po akong nakilala ng mga chosen one. Okay? Na mga may mga katulad ko na highly gift vibrational din po. Okay? At yun lang po. Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta sa akin. Mahal na mahal ko po kayong lahat at mag-ingat po kayong lahat. Palagi, God bless po. And good luck. Naway gabayan po kayo ng ating universe at archangels and ascended masters. Bye-bye.